We have a toolbox. Comes nicely packaged. We're going to open up the box. As we open up the box, it's protected by foam. We have a number of colors. Check online for further detail about the product. It has handles on each of the sides. It has a nice carrying handle on top that's foldable. It folds forward and back. And it has a locking mechanism so you can put locks on. And opens up to a nice tray that allows you to open up 3 drawers. The doors can be opened and closed while the top is open. Firmly press in the doors and you're able to close and lock. And the doors should stay locked. You're able to open and close the door while the top cover is available. If you want to lock the door into place, simply reopen up the top, open and close the door, and reclose the top and it stays locked. The tool shelf cabinets can be used for just about anything to put in your sockets, your holders, 1/4, your extensions, and your ratchet handles, and whatever you want to put in. Your mater toolbox with the case open on top. The depth measures 2.5 inches. Closed 2.5 inches. You have roughly 4.5, 5 inches of room, and each of the shelf measures 2 inches. The overall height of the unit is about 1 feet, 15.5, 15.75, and the depth is 7 inches. The Manda tool box. It can be put anywhere imaginable. Great for hobbies, small tools, work around the house, place on the shelf to keep your tools organized, and comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail about your product. It's made of metal, steel all around, a nice plastic handle, riveted into the case, and a nice solid metal hinge. Enjoy your Manda toolbox. Thank you for viewing.